I'm gonna show you how to solve this bad boy. On one take, we're gonna do it pretty fast. First, you gotta learn how to solve a 2x2 because this cube is literally a 2x2 in just complex ways. But I'm gonna show you how to solve this right away. So, real quick, we're gonna solve the white side first. So I'm gonna start with this one because there's a sticker on it. White, if this is white, then this has to be white. And if this is green, this has to be green. So already technically, these two pieces are solved because this one is leading into here. So these two are right, and these two are correct. So that these two solve, we can go into the next one. Once again, it has to be a white. And now this time we have a yellow leading into this one. So we need to find a piece that has both white and yellow. This one doesn't have yellow. This one has white and yellow, so it goes in. So you can always check if you have it correct. You see yellow and white. And the last one should usually be correct. There we go. We got white completely solved, and we got this green half solved, red half solved, orange half solved, and yellow half solved. So we're done with that. Now last layer, this is a soon case on 2x2. If you know how to do that, then pretty easy. This is a soon case, so one of my favorite moves to do on a Rubik's Cube. Kind of easy to do, really fast as well. So yeah. Once again, the opposite color here of white is blue. So I know it was a soon case because every piece had blue in it, making it the opposite color. So just saying that right now, if you guys get confused of how I know. So now I gotta realign one piece at least. So right now I just do this piece. It has yellow in it and orange, so I have to match our yellow and orange right here. Yellow and orange, so we got lucky with that one. This one we gotta move because these two are neither matching. Neither are these two, and neither are these two. So technically, I keep going until there's at least one, more than one matching, like on a 2x2. Right here we got this one matching, and this one matching. See, red, red, green, green. So basically I'll do a J perm or a T perm. I'm gonna do a J perm right here. It's easier for me. And I'm technically done with this puzzle. Just if I don't mess up this J perm, then I'm completely solved. There we go. Cube is completely solved. See? We've got white done, yellow done, orange done, red done, green done, and blue done. It's a pretty simple 2x2 puzzle. If you know how to solve 2x2, this will be a piece of cake. I got a little short tutorial out there learning Ortega. This is one I will show you all the algs you could get, as in the last layer, like the soon case I showed you. So I hope you guys enjoyed this fast tutorial. Like and sub. I will do more on this because I'll see you guys next time.